Hi, in this video I'll show you how to link type objects. How you can do this. Go to type tool, select, and while holding left mouse button draw a rectangle. This is now area for our type. Here you can choose size and font, and type now. As you can see, type box is small. The type might not fit into the box. If that happens, a tiny plus sign appears in the lower right corner of the text objects. Here. You can flow type from one text object to another. To do this, first select this rectangle, click the overflow icon at the bottom of a text object, and while holding left mouse button draw another rectangle. That's it. Text now flow from one shape to another shape. You can see we delete this text from another shapes go to first rectangle. Also, if we write here something, type here, you can see that these two rectangles are connected. You can do this on the second way. Delete second rectangle. Choose ellipse tool. Draw ellipse. And with the selection tool select both shapes. Go to type, choose threaded text and command create. That's it. If you want now to delete connection of these shapes, select rectangles, go to type and choose command remove threading. Now you can see these shapes are not connected, and you break the connection. Thank you very much, and if you want to see another tutorial from Adobe Illustrator on my channel, click on subscribe.